Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Today we will be covering a Sudoku variant called Renben Sudoku or Renben Group Sudoku. Now the setter of this Sudoku is Bastian Vialjame and his constructions are one of the best in the world. He is not only an excellent solver but a world class author too. His Sudokus are so good to see with an artistic theme, and also solving path of his Sudokus are just so good that it will open your eyes to amazing logics. This Sudoku has been taken from his blog, which has hundreds of excellent Sudokus and puzzles to look out for. I will add the link in the description for the blog, for his blog, and even for the online interface of this Sudoku if you want to solve it yourself. Now coming on to the rules of this Sudoku, there are some gray shaded cells, a group of shaded cells in the grid, and each group will have consecutive digits but not in order. So if I say, for example, this group has 4 shaded cells, and all of these 4 cells will be consecutive numbers but not necessary in order. So you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, for example, or you can have 3, 4, 5 and 2, anything. So all the group of shaded cells are separate, and each group of shaded cells will have numbers consecutive to each other but not in the order. So all these 4 numbers will be consecutive to each other but not in the order. So if you see this Sudoku, it has an excellent theme, the 4 T-shaped regions pointing towards the center of the grid, and the givens are also so less. So coming on to the Sudoku, let's start the Sudoku. If you see each of these 4 T-shaped regions, there is a logic that applies with these 4 cells, 4 givens, 7, 3, 6 and 4. So if you see this region now, is it possible to have 4 consecutive cells without using 3 or 6? Not both, but without using any of the number, either 3 or 6, without using both of these numbers, is it possible to have 4 digits of consecutively in the region? You cannot have 1, 2. If you are not using 3, you cannot have 1, 2, 3, 4. Neither you can have 4, 5. If you are not using 6, 4, 5, 6, 7 is also not possible. And after the 6, 7, 8, 9, only 3 numbers are possible, right? So either of 3 or 6 or both might be used, but both are not possible because you will have only one number here, either 3 or 6, and all of these 3 cells, shaded cells, won't have both 3 and 6. So either one of these 2 digits will be a possibility in the gray cells, right? And it has to be in the exactly this cell, because it cannot be in these 3 cells which has the 3 and 6 already in the column. Same goes for the 4 and 6 here for this T-shaped region. If you see, you cannot have 4 consecutive digits without using 4 or 6. So 1, 2, 3, and you will need a 4, or 5, you will need a 4, 5, 6, 7, or even after the 6, 7, 8, 9. So either of these 2 digits, one has to be here, and it has to be used. Same way with the 4 and 7. If you see, no possibility of using without using the 7 and 4 having 4 consecutive digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is used, or after 4, 5, 6 or 7 is used, and after 7, 8 and 9. So either of these 2 digits will be used in this group of shaded cells, and same way for the 3 and 7. You cannot neglect both in this region, so either one of them has to be used. So we got 4 digits pencil marks here, and if you look properly, if at all you have a 4 here, right, because of the center box, you cannot have 4 in these 3 cells. That means you will have 4 in these 2 cells, which will get you a 7 here, and due to the 7 here, you will have you cannot have 7 in these 3 cells, which will get a 7 in these 2 cells, this and this, which will get a 3 here, which means that 3 will not come in these 3 cells and has to be here, and which will get a 6 here, which will be here and here, right? So we got one logic is, if you have a 4 here, you will have a 3 here, and you have 7 and 6 here. The same way, if you have a 6 here, you will have 7 here, and you have 4 and 3 here. So if you go by this chain of logics, you get to know that all of these 4 digits 4, 6, 3, 7 cannot be in this middle box, right? So if I took a 4 here and a 3 here, you get a 3, 4 pair here, and because of which you will get 6, 7 here, and you get a 6, 7 pair here. Same way, if I take a 6 here, you will get a 7 here, so which will get you a 6, 7 pair here, and 4, 3 will be here, and which will get a 4, 3 pair here. It means that this cell is neither of 3, 4, 6, 7 and nor 1, 2, 8, 9. That means this cell has to be a 5. What a logic! If you see, these kind of logics are very rare to be seen, and no computer generated Sudoku can get you these kind of logics. So now we have just erasing these pencil marks. So we got one more logic here is, if you have a 4 here, you will have a 3 here, and you will have 7 and 6 here, and if you have a 6 here, you will have 7 here, and you will have 4 and 3 here, right? So okay, now if you see this column, how many possibilities are there for 9 and 8? So this possibility is gone. These two possibilities are gone because we have already marked either this has to be a 4 or 6 or 3 and 7. So 9 and 8 are gone. These two cells are gone because 9 and 8 is there already in this box. So the only possibility for the 9 and 8 in this this one column is 3 possibilities. You can have here, you can have here, here and here, right? There are 3 possibilities for 8 and 9 in this column. Now if you see this 4 and 6, if you get a 4 here, as we already see, if you get a 4 here, you will have a 3 here, right? As we already seen, if you get a 4 here, you will have 4 in these two cells, which will get you a 7 here, and you will have 7 in these two cells, which will get you a 3 here. So if you have a 4 here, you have a 3 here, and both of these possibilities of 8 and 9 are eliminated now. So the maximum number that you can get here is 3, 4, 5, 6. You can get a 6 here, that is the maximum number possible here, and the maximum number possible here is 4, 5, 6, 7. You can get a 7 here because of the Renban groups, which has a group of consecutive cells, right? These shaded group have consecutive cells but not in any order. So these can be in any order, but the maximum number you can get here is 7, and if you get you can get here is 6 if you have 4 and 3. So both the possibilities of 8 and 9 are eliminated here, and you have only one possibility for the whole column where you can have 8 and 9 both, which violates the rule. So this way we get to see that neither a 4 will come here nor a 6 will come here, and we get a neither a 4 will come here nor a 3 will come here. So we get a 6 here and a 7 here, which gets us to a 6, 7 pair in this two cells, which eliminates 7 from here, and a 4, we get a 4 here and a 3 here. What a logic it was! Mind-blowing logic. So this was the breaking of the puzzle, I think. Let's see if we can continue the puzzle easily, or there are some more tough logics to be found here. Now if you see, we have got one cell in each of the regions, which can help us to eliminate a few cells and even get few cells in the shaded region. For example, 3. So there has to be a 4 in these 3 cells, because if you don't have a 4, you'll have only 3, 1, 2, and the 4th cell will be stranded, and it has to be a 4. So it means that out of these 3 cells, one has to be a 4. Because of the pencil, because of a 4 here, we have these 2 cells has to be a 4, right? And if you see, these 3 cells cannot be a 6. It means that, let us start with the 5. So 5, 4, 3, 2. So at least we need to have a 2 here in these 3 cells. So what happens if we don't have a 2 here? So if you eliminate a 2 from these 2 cells, 6 is not possible. right? And 2 is also not possible. As we are eliminating 2, the only 3 numbers pending will be 4, 3, 4 and 5. What about the 4th digit? We won't be able to place the 4th digit. That means that we need to have a 2 here, right? Now if you see this 7, at most we can have 9 and 8, which means that 6 has to be here in this one of these 3 cells. So if we don't have a 6 here, what happens is the other three cells has to be 8 and 9, and the 4th cell is standard, which won't have any number. So at least we need to have a 6 in these 3 cells to have a consecutive group of shaded cells in the shaded cells. Same way for the 4, you need to have a 3 here to make consecutive groups of 4 shaded cells, because if at all you don't have a 3, you will have 4, 5, 6 and 7, and 7 is already in the column. So it means that you will have a 3 here and possible only in these 2 cells. The same way for the 6, if you see, you cannot have a 4 here. That means you can have 5, 6, 7, 8 and 6, 7, 8, 9, which means that 7 and 8 are the sure possibilities for the shaded cell. So we have marked a few of the pencil marks in the shaded cells. Now if you see, an 8 cannot come in this cell, because now the only 2 numbers pending will be, only one number pending will be either 1 or 5. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 or 2, 3, 4, 5. So we eliminate all the other numbers from these 3 cells, which gives you an 8 here, because 8 is eliminated from these 3 cells, and we have only 1 or 5 in these 3 cells, and 8 is eliminated from here, so we get an 8 here, which gets an 8 pencil mark in the box 3. Again, if you see this region, you cannot have an 8 here, because 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there are 6 numbers, 5 numbers in this region, which is not possible. It means that we have eliminated 8 from these 3 cells also, which gets you an 8 here by the classic rules. Same way, you cannot have a 9 in these 3 shaded cells. See, the only possible numbers in these 3 shaded cells are 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 3 possibilities, right? So which eliminates 7, 8 and 9 from the 3 shaded cells. So it means that 9 cannot come in these 2 cells, and 9 cannot come in these 3 cells, which gets a 9 here. The same way, so 9 and 9, we are eliminating 9 from these 2 cells, and 9 is already eliminated from here, because we get only 1 or 5 in these 3 cells, which gets a 9 here, right? The same way, if you see 2 is not there in these 3 cells, you cannot have a 2 here also, because then the group of shaded cells will have 5 numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 numbers, because we know that 7 is already there, and if you have a 2 here, we need to have all the numbers between 2 and 7 in this group of shaded cells, which is not possible, which gets a 2 here, because 2 is not in these 3 cells, not in these 3 cells, and 2 is eliminated from here, which you get a 2 here. The same way, 2 cannot be in these 3 shaded cells, because 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will have 7 numbers. So 2 is eliminated from these 3 cells, and this cell gets a 2 here. Same way, the 1 is also eliminated from these 3 cells. As 2 is eliminated, 1 is much more far from 8 than 2, which eliminates 1 also. So 1 is eliminated from these 2 cells, these 3 cells, which gets a 1 pencil mark in these 2 cells. So by classic rules, 1 cannot be here, 1 cannot be here, and we have already marked that 1 cannot be here, because 2 was eliminated, so 1 has to be eliminated, and we get a 1 here, right? Now see what are the possibilities remaining in this row. Only 1 and 2 are pending, right? So 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So only 1 and 2 pencil marks are pending. We can mark 1 and 2 here. The same way for this column. So 1, 7, 3, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 8 and 9 are the possibilities pending, right? So we can write 8 and 9 here, right? If you see here 4 5, okay, so as we know that 8 and 9 any one number has to be here. It means if we have a 9, we'll have 6 7 8 9, and if we don't have a 9 and if we have a 8, we'll get 5 6 7 8 also, and if we have a 8, then 9 can be in any of these two cells, which will again get 6 7 8 9. So the possibilities here are 5 6 7 8 9. The out of these 5 numbers, 4 will be here. That means 4 is eliminated from this cell, which eliminates 4 from these 3 cells by the classic rules, eliminates 4 from these 3 cells, and we get a 4 here, right? Same way, the 4 and these 2 cells are locked as 3 4 pair. It means these 6 cells cannot be a 4, and this cannot be a 4, right? So 4 5 6 7 and 8 and 9, one of the 8 and 9 has to be here, which makes the 5 cell region. So one of the 4 has to be in these 2 cells, right? The same way, this 3, if you see 3 is eliminated from here, it means these 2 cells will have a 3 pencil mark. And if you see, as we got a 4 here, we got one logic is 5 has to be in these 3 cells. What a logic. So as we have written a 4 here, the placement for 5 in these 3 cells are eliminated, and these 3 cells are eliminated, which means that one of these shaded cell will be a 5, and we already know that one of these shaded cell will be a 6, and one of the cell has to be 8 and 9. So it cannot be 9 now. It will have 5 cells, 5 6 7 8 9. It means it has to be an 8, and we get a 5 6 pencil mark here, which gets a 9 in these 2 cells pencil mark, and we have a 9 here, which gets a 3 here and a 9 here. Now the two numbers remaining are 8 and 6, right? 6 is already there. It means 8 will come here and 6 will come here in the row, right? So which gets a 9 here because of the 8. So the 4 numbers are 6, the 2 numbers remaining will be between 6 and 9, 6 7 8 9, which gets a 7 here and 8 here by the classic rules, because we have an 8 here, and the only 2 numbers remaining will be 3 and 5. So 3 has to be here in these 2 cells because of the 3 here, and 5 has to be here. So the 6 7 pair in the middle box is now fulfilled by the 7 here, which gets a 5 and 6 here because of this 6, right? Now let's focus on these 2 shaded cells, because these 2 shaded cells are already done. Now let's focus on these 2 shaded cells. So because of the classic rules, 9 has to be here, which gets a 9 here and a 9 here, right? Let's see this row now. 1 to 5 are the possibilities. Let's pencil mark them. Sorry, 1 2 and 4. So 2 is already there in this box. It means that 2 has to come here, and 1 and 4 has to be here because of this 4, right? The other remaining digits are 3 and 8, which leaves here with 1 5 and 6. So 1 5 1 5 6 and 1 5 6. Now if you see, as we already told earlier, these 3 cells are surely having 2 and 4 in it, and the other number will either be 1 and 5, right? Let us draw the pencil marks here. So we got quadruplet of 1 2 4 5 here. So 1 and 5 is here, 2 and 4 is here, and either of 1 and 5 will be here, and 1 and 5 will be here. What a logic, what a continuation. So this means that we'll get a 7 here, right? And the 3 has to be in these 2 cells due to the 3 and 4, I mean, because 4 and 3 cannot be in these 3 cells, which gives you a 3 and 4 here, and because of this 4 we get a 3 here and a 4 here, which gets a 5 here and a 4 here due to this 4. So the only 3 remaining digits are 1 2 5. So we already have a 1 and 2 here, which gets a 5 here, and the pencil mark of 1 and 2 will be here. Now see this column, 3, 6, 7 are remaining, right? So we already know that 3 has to be in these two cells, which gets a 6, 7 here. 7 is already there, which gets a 3, 6 here, and 6 is here, so we'll get a 3, 7 here. So the only place for the 5 in this box is this, which gets a 1, 2 pencil mark here. 5 and 2. So all the 1 and 5 is eliminated from this cell, which gives a 6 here, and 6 is eliminated from here. So the only digit remaining here is 7. And let's pencil mark 1, 5, 6 here. 1, 5 and 6. 1, 5, 6. Right? So if you see, where will 8 come in this column? You cannot have 8 here because you already have an 8 here, which gets an 8 here by the classic rules. So 1, 2, 3, 5 are pending, right, in this column. So 2, 5 is gone, which gives you 1 and 3, and 1, 3, 1, 3 pair is logged. So the only place for 6 in this row is here, which gives you a 7 here, a 3 here, a 1 here and a 3 here, a 2 here and a 1 here, which gets a 2 here and a 1 here. So we have eliminated 1 from this cell, which gives you a 2 here and a 1 here, and a 5 here and a 1 here. So the other two cells has to be 2 and 4, which already marked. So 4 and 2, which completes the middle box, right? And the 1 cannot be in this shaded cells, so it has to be 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 3 has to be here and 5 has to be here, which gets a 5 here and a 6 here, a 6 here and a 1 here, and the only digit remaining is a 7. What a amazing logic this puzzle had. The most important breaking was finding out that these 4 cells are interconnected to each other with the middle box, and if you have a 4 here, you will have a 3 here and a 6 and 7, and the other way is either you will have 6 and 7 and 4 and 3 here. So 4 and 3 will see each other, and 6 and 7 will be seeing each other, which gets a 5 here, because all this cell is seen by all the 4 digits, 4, 7, 3 and 6, and 1, 9, 2, 8 are eliminated, so this cell will have a 5. And the next breaking point was seeing 9 and 8 in this column. There are only 3 possible places, this and these 2, which makes us believe that there has to be 6, 7 pair only, because 3, 4 pair will eliminate the 9 and 8 from these 2 shaded cells also, which has only 1 cell remaining for the 9 and 8. After that, the puzzle, the Sudoku was like flowing very smooth. It is one of the best Renban group Sudokus I have ever seen. And if you really love this puzzle, you can go to the Bastian's blog. He has many such Sudokus and puzzles, amazing logic, amazing themes. Just look out for the blog. And if you like the video, if you enjoyed the video, do like and comment on the video if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.